Got a Toyota RAV4? Great choice. But now there's an electronic parking brake warning light on your dash. These systems are supposed to make life easier, but sometimes they just glitch. Instead of a handbrake lever, you've got a switch run by motors and computers. When those computers get confused, you get a warning light. The EPB uses electric motors on your rear brake calipers to hold the car in place. It's more complex than old handbrakes, but it can auto-hold on hills and more. With complexity comes the occasional hiccup, like this warning light. Don't rush to the dealership just yet. Often a simple reset is all you need. The system can get confused after a battery change or brake service. Think of it like rebooting your computer when it acts up. We'll walk through a quick reset you can do at home. No jargon, just simple steps. By the end, you'll know how to fix this yourself and save money. Let's get your RAV4 back in shape. Why is that EPB light on? That warning can pop up for a bunch of reasons, and it's not always serious, but it's important to know what's going on. Most often it's a software glitch or a temporary communication error in the system. Maybe you disconnected the battery, replaced it, or the system didn't exit service mode after a brake job. If the system isn't reset properly, it'll throw a warning. Sometimes even a quick jump start can confuse the electronics. A weak or dying battery is another common culprit, since low voltage can mess with the parking brake sensors and modules. Sometimes a faulty sensor, damaged wiring, or a loose connection is to blame, especially after recent repairs or rodent damage. And don't forget, accidentally bumping the parking brake switch or driving with the brake partially engaged can also trigger the light. But don't jump to conclusions. Start with the easy reset first. It's usually quick, free, and solves most issues. Let's prep for the reset and get that light off. Before the reset, let's get ready. Park your RAV4 on a flat, level surface, never on a hill. Put the gear in park and for extra safety, chalk the wheels. Inside, turn the ignition to on, dashboard lights on, engine off. If you have push-button start, press it twice, without your foot on the brake. Make sure the parking brake switch is within reach. You'll be using the switch to apply and release the brake. Familiarize yourself with the up, apply, and down release positions. With the car secure and ignition on, you're ready. Let's start the reset. Here's how to reset your RAV4's electronic parking brake. With ignition on and engine off, press and hold the parking brake switch down, release for 5 seconds. Without letting go, pull the switch up, apply, and hold it. Listen for a whirring sound from the rear brakes. This means the system is recalibrating. Once the sound stops, release the switch. Test the brake, press down to release, pull up to apply. The motors should sound normal. Check your dashboard. The warning light should be gone. If it is, you fixed it. If not, don't worry, sometimes it takes another try. You just saved yourself a trip to the shop. Simple, right? Let's talk about what to do if the light stays on. Troubleshooting is next. If the warning light is still on, try the reset again. Timing matters. Still no luck. It could be a hardware issue, a faulty actuator, wiring, or the EPB module. At this point, a good OBD2 scan tool can help by reading the exact fault code. If you're not comfortable with advanced diagnostics or repairs, call a trusted mechanic. Explain what you've tried. They'll appreciate it and can diagnose faster. Remember, you've already done the smart thing by trying the easy fix first. Sometimes professional help is the best move. Don't stress. You're now a more informed car owner. Thanks for watching and good luck with your RAV4. See you next time.